Hello, my dear student. Geometry lecture number 3, chapter number 3, circle. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 3.1, page 55. Okay, question number 2. In circle with center O, R is external point, sec Rm and sec Rn are tangent to the circle at point M and N respectively. OR is equal to 10 centimeter, radius OM is equal to ON is equal to 5 centimeter given. So this is a circle with center O. R is external point, sec Rm and sec Rn are tangent to the circle at point M and N. OM, this radius, is equal to 5 centimeter and OR is equal to 10 centimeter given. Okay, and then find what is the length of each tangent segment. What is the measure of angle MRO and angle MRN? Okay, now try to understand solution. This is what very easy example. Draw sec OM. In triangle OMR, angle OMR is equal to 90 degree. So this angle is 90 degree and therefore this triangle is right angle triangle. So use Pythagoras theorem. So then therefore MR plus MR square plus MO square is equal to OR square. Reason Pythagoras theorem. And therefore MR is equal to plus 25, MO is equal to 5 given, 5 square 25 is equal to OR is equal to 10, so 10 square 100, and therefore MR is equal to this 25 you transfer on this side, so MR square is equal to 75, and therefore MR is equal to root 75 is equal to root 25 into 3 is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. And therefore tangent segment MR is equal to, tangent segment MR is equal to tangent segment NR theorem, and therefore length of each tangent segment is equal to 5 root 3 centimeter. So this is what your first answer. Then in triangle OMR, angle M is equal to 90 and OM, this radius, is equal to half of what hypo OR, and therefore so M major angle MRO is equal to 30 degree. In triangle 30 60 90, side opposite to 30 is half of hypotenuse. Okay, and therefore since OR is bisector of angle MRN, major angle MRN is equal to 60. So try to understand, this is a right angle triangle, this angle is 90, this side is half of what hypo. So if this triangle is 30 60 90, then side opposite to 30 is half of what hypo, and therefore this angle is 30, and this is a bisector of this angle, and therefore this full complete angle means angle MRN is equal to 60 degree. Okay, then next question number 5. In circle with center O, sec Rm and sec Rn are tangent to the circle at point M and N. To prove OR is bisector of angle MRN and bisector of angle MON. Okay, now first I explain you by means of figure. Okay, now this is a perpendicular to tangent, and therefore this is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree, this angle is 90 degree. Okay, and also you know this is the r is the external point, so this tangent segment and this tangent segment is equal, so these two triangles are congruent. How? Now try to understand. In this triangle and this triangle, this side is equal to this side is common, and this side is equal, because this is the radius of what same circle, and therefore these two triangles are what congruent, and hence this angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is equal to this angle. Okay, and therefore OR is a bisector of this angle and bisector of what angle MRN. Okay, now prove in triangle OMR and triangle ONR, side OM congruent side ON, radius radii of same circle, side OR congruent side OR common side, and side MR congruent side NR. Write down theorem, tangent segment theorem, and therefore triangle OMR congruent triangle ONR test SSS test of congruency, and therefore angle ORM congruent angle ORN, and angle MOR congruent angle NOR, corresponding angles of congruent tangent congruent triangle, and therefore sec OR is bisector of angle MRN and angle MON. Okay, this is what very important property. Then I will try to explain you next example. Example number 4. What is the distance between two parallel tangents of a circle having radius 4.5 centimeter, and justify your answer. Okay, now this is a circle with center O given. This is a tangent AB to at what M, and this is a tangent CD at N. These two tangents are parallel, then find the distance between them, means find MN. Okay, now try to understand. In circle with center O, tangent AB parallel tangent CD at M and N. OM perpendicular AB, this OM is perpendicular to AB tangent, and ON is perpendicular to CD theorem, tangent theorem, and therefore now this and this is parallel, this is parallel, this and this is perpendicular, and therefore OM and ON are what parallel, therefore OM parallel ON, but O is a what common point, and therefore these 3 points are what collinear, and therefore point MON are collinear, and hence so that these 3 points are collinear, therefore MN is equal to MO plus ON. So MO is equal to 4.5 given, so this is also 4.5, so this distance is equal to 4.5 plus 4.5, that is 9. Okay, so point MO and N are collinear, hence distance between two parallel tangents is equal to length of diameter, and is equal to 4.5 plus 4.5 is equal to 9 centimeter. Okay, now today it is enough. Thank you. Hello my dear student, I request you please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comments if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.